Hi, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you daily Chinese handwriting on the character qián step by step. I will first write it in standard script, then following one word and one sentence. Now let's write qián. qián, front. First, before. For example, 以前。以前 before. Ago. Here is a sentence. Have you done anything like this before? Have you done this? Anything like this before? Have you done anything like this before? 你以前有没有做过类似的工作？你以前有没有做过类似的工作？你以前有没有做过类似的工作 like this 类似的工作。My casual handwriting on the character 钱。前 front, first, before, 以前 before, ago. Have you done anything like this before? 你以前有没有做过类似的工作？前 Please comment any words or sentence with the character 前. I hope you find this video helpful. Support my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, click bell, like, and help me share this video. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.